Whoa, there's so much right now. I just have to put my net in for like 2 seconds and I'll pull out some. Whoa, let's do it. There, 2 seconds. Wow. I got something. I'm gonna take out the beauty I got. Okay. Okay. This is stuck. Look at this beauty. 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 Beauty fly. I think they're called suckers because a guy that discovered them was like, I'm gonna get all these suckers in my net. My hand's all slimy. Let me go wash that off. Slime gone. It's like washing your hands in 2 seconds. Oh, there's some right there. Oh my god, that one's small as hell. How deep is that? Oh shit, that's deep. Shit's on that deep. Little tiny guys. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of the smallest one I can get. Or a video, whatever.